Hi everyone, let me show you how to remove background using background erase tool in Affinity. First of all, make sure you're already in Pixel Studio. Then go to Erase Brush tool, right click on it to bring out the subtool and pick Background Erase Brush. You can change the brush width using the slider or by pressing the bracket key on your keyboard. Set the brush hardness and also set the tolerance. After that, click the layer you're going to remove the background from. When you put the eraser on the image, you can already see the preview of the erased part. Click and hold, then drag it across the line between the part you want to keep and the part you want to remove. This is not using any AI, just a simple and smart eraser tool. After the area across the edge is removed, you can increase the eraser width to faster clear up the rest of the background. Alternatively, you can also use freehand selection tool, draw up around the background, and press delete. So that's it. You have successfully removed the background. Thanks for watching.